My name is Philip Weiss, and I'm at the grave of George Henry Forster, born June 20th, 1838, died November 8th, 1888. Also interred here is his wife, Constance Atherton, born January 1st, 1945, died August 28th or 29th or 22nd, 1916. Mr. Forster was the president and the president-elect of the Board of Aldermen of this city, presumably at the time probably of the Bronx, which I believe at the time was not yet a part of New York City. And other family members are interred here as well, Mr. Forster. Mr. Forster, George Henry Forster, you're gone, but not forgotten. And may you and your family members interred here rest in peace.